Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute ladybug. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my black pen to draw a ladybug. I'm using my ruler to draw two straight lines. I'm using my black pen to fill it with black color. I'm using my brown pen to draw a big circle. I will make it a little thicker. Now I will color inside the circle with my red pen. I'm using my black pen. Here's the eyes of the ladybug. I'm drawing her antenna. I'll be drawing big ovals in its body. Now I'm drawing its hands and legs. Wow, she's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.